All right, guys. Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today on this Acadia, this is the '09, so this is going to cover what is that, like '08 to roughly around 2012 for sure that I know of. We are going to replace the evap purge valve. This goes bad a lot on these cars, and the symptom of this, usually the first thing that you're going to notice is after refueling, like filling up your tank, you are going to have a hard time starting the vehicle, or the vehicle may run a little rough for that first little while after you restart the car after fueling. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is pull off your engine fill cap. And I already loosened this up, but you'll have to pop this up, your plastic cover here, and put that to the side somewhere. Then you want to take your oil fill cap, get it in the proper orientation, and put that back on for now because you don't want anything getting in there. Now, here's our culprit. It's right here in the front. It's really easy to get to. You have two clips. One's a hose connection and one's an electrical connection. On this one, you just want to pry this little tab here off and then pull back. Comes out just like that. On this one here, you see that green section of the tab? I'll try to do this one-handed as best I can, but I'm probably going to fail. When you push that up, I'm using a little Allen. When you push this in, rather, that opens up the inside. I might have gotten it. No? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna... There we go. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'm doing this on the fly because I wanted you guys to be able to see it. Okay, if you look and you see right behind there, there's a 10mm bolt. So I have this on Titan. What the fuck is going on with my camera? Okay, so we put our socket on there. I'm using a deep well. You don't really need to. I just thought it'd be better. Just turn this loose. Should be able to feel once it's completely loose. You will notice you're not getting any more movement, and this whole unit to gently work that out like so. And there it is. There's the old one. This is a new one that I ordered from Amazon. It cost me like 15 bucks. Okay, guys, you want to dress the rubber grommet there just a tad with some grease or used oil or something just to help keep it good over time. And then carefully, you want to push this in until it's firm, like so. And then you want to get your socket back on here. Start threading this bad boy in. At all, you just want to get it nice and snug. There may be an actual torque spec for that, but as long as it's nice and snug, you're not going to have any problems. So then just take your hose and pop that on until it clicks. And now your electrical connection back in until it's solid. And we're done, guys. $15 in a few minutes is going to get you out of this problem. A lot of people do say that it's covered in some cases by a recall. But I mean, $15 in a few minutes, even a mechanically inept person can make it through this relatively easily. And there you go. That's going to fix your problem with your bad starts and your rough running. All right, guys. Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you later.